Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to my lovely VW up. As you can see, a little bit out of the ordinary, but that is going to be one of the things we'll be talking about today. Is 5 things that you guys can get for cheap that is going to upgrade your car for less money than it comes to standard in modern day cars. So let's get into it and see what the first thing is. So the first thing that we are going to look at today is something that goes over here. Now, as you see over here, we have the lovely auto headlights. Now you might be wondering, what the hell is this thing? Oh, there's my finger right there. What is that thing? Well, that thing, normally on your normal headlights you would get the circle, the little lights. There's my finger. My finger might help. You might get the normal lights and then your normal headlights. Well, with that one now you've got the little auto thing in the middle as well. Now what that does is very cool. That would potentially, you have a little sensor that comes with the package up there that I've just stuck down with some really sticky tape, and it's worked wonders. It's been on there ever since. And what you do with that is that you just let the sensor pick up the light, and obviously I put mine there because that's where the most amount of light is going to come in through the windscreen. And what you do is basically when it starts to get dark, the sensor will realize it's getting dark, and then it will then say to the lights, right, the headlights need to be on, and it will turn them on automatically, which I think is very cool. And a plus feature is that means that the homecoming lights and the leaving home and coming home lights work, which means when you use your lovely little key and you open the car or you lock the car, your lights are going to come on for a minute, your full headlights, and all your rears and everything, like your lights are on, so then you can see the car, and obviously when you get out of the car you can see where you're going, which I think is very cool. And it's very cheap to get your hands on them. All it takes is an easy Google to find that, and yeah, it's a really nifty little thing that changes the car a lot. And if I forget to put in the description for all these products, and let me know in the comments. I reply to all comments, and I'll show you if I can find and do that. So yeah, that's number 1. Let's move on to the second thing. So the second thing is something we've already covered, and that is my lovely radio here. As you can see, I'm doing all the inside stuff first because it's very cold outside. It comes to a bit of like a, I don't know, like a road kind of thing, and it's a B road. Oh, I don't know, it's one of the two. And yeah, it's kind of cool. But yeah, what we talk about is my little radio here. Now, as the standard 2014 up, it comes with FM radio, and that's that. And that's it. All you have is the radio. You have like a media source for your aux cable, and that is literally it. You can change like the bass and everything of the stereo, but that also comes as standard on like most Volkswagens. So yeah, this is something I would very highly recommend. I have a video, the last video on the channel was the review on this thing, and it's awesome. You get Apple CarPlay, you get Android Auto, you can watch DVDs on it, and it's amazing. Obviously I would not legally advise you to be watching videos and TV and stuff, but yeah, it can do that, which I think is very cool. Yeah, it changes up the car. You can get Waze on there, Google Maps. Yeah, it cost a bit. I think buying it was like £100 and something, but it's definitely worth it for a car like this that normally doesn't come with like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and stuff like that. And obviously then you have your little, in here I have, sorry, excuse me, that my cable for my phone, which means that I can also charge my phone while I'm going, which is awesome, and I highly recommend this thing. But yeah, number 3. So number 3, I'm probably going to have to like sort of skim you around. And number 3 is going to be this lovely armrest here. Now, normally it would come, push that back in. Oh, there goes my keys, like this. It's a nice little, folds up, and it comes right down nicely. And then you'll hear that little, well, hairy arms. The little clicks, which you've got like adjustments in height. You also get this little, sorry about the light there, little pouch that comes with it. Obviously for me, I'm a car mechanic, so I like to carry around all those things like this Carista. This is a very cool item, which I may do a little video on in the future, which shows you all the things that could be wrong with your car, all the customizations you can make to your car, and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is very important to have, and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, so it's a little magnetic kind of bag, if you want to call it that, which just slots on in right there, stays in there nicely out of the way. And as I saw here, this bit slides on out like that, so if you want more room to just kneel like that, it's very nice. It has a little, oops, sorry, push that back, little button here you push in and the thing comes up. For me, I got keys, my wallet, some pens, which look really, really cool there, and some chewing gum, which I think is really, really cool. That goes down like that, and yeah, it's just, this really changes up your driving style. If you're one of the ones that uses the motorway a lot, this thing's going to come in handy for you. So it's an Armster 2 VW Up armrest. You could easily go on their website, Armster, and it'll take you straight to this thing if you type in VW Up, which I think is very, very cool. And yeah, was that number 3? So I believe 4 and 5 are going to be outside. So if you can't hear me very much, I might do like an overlay. But yeah, let's head on outside and I'll show you the next things. Next thing being on my list, as you can see my car here, is these side indicators that come on the car. Now this one is something that I really, really like. I would highly recommend. So this is basically usually a little key fob, unlock the car. As you can see with that, it slides across, which I think is very, very cool. Compared to the normal, which is like a on and off like that kind of thing, this one works very, very well. I love it. Now this is a little easy installation for that one, seeing as it only takes, I don't know, like a minute to install that. And it really, really transforms the car, I think, especially with the white. It looks very, very nice, black and white on top is awesome. Now, on to the final thing. The thing I'm going to be showing you guys today is these lovely indicators. I got mine from a company called Better Bulbs. I'm not sure if you guys hear me very well, but obviously this is just an easy take the bulb out and put a new one in, and instead of having like a very, very boring kind of one, this is an instant on and off, which I think looks very, very cool on the car. Yeah, these are just little things which you guys can do to your car to make it that hell of a lot better. Shout out 11th. I'm just going to get back in, seeing as it's very, very cold, and I just wanted to outro this video. So yeah, there's 5 things that you guys can use on your VW Up. Well, could be any car really, but I've got a VW Up, so I can only do that on that. That you can upgrade and make your car a little bit easier, especially with like the armrest and the auto headlights. Is something, and obviously the radio, that can really change up your car for the better. And I think it makes driving a lot more fun and easier. I think obviously easier shouldn't be a good thing because you've got to be focused on the road, but it helps. I think it definitely helps. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here, guys. If you have any questions on the car or the accessories that I've got on the car, then let me know. I can reply to all comments down below. So just leave a nice little comment, and I'll probably reply to you in maximum a day, because I'm always on YouTube checking over the comment section. And yeah, hit the like button if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button as well, because you know we love subscribers and we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can help with that, that'd be awesome. And yeah, go look at my other videos. So I've installed a VW radio on a Polo, and I've done a review on this bad boy. So yeah, if you want any other tutorials on VW Ups, whether that's mechanically or electrically, whatever, let me know, and I'll sure to sort that out. But yeah, into the meantime, that's very, very dusty. I shall see you guys again. But until then, have a good day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.